A bunch of guys in the UK started a business in a saturated market of iPhone cases. Their marketing and research got them $2.5 million from crowdfunding. We have all come up with business ideas that already existed. It was either a successful business or a complete failure, but that still stopped us from following our dreams just because the idea already existed. But this group of friends was different. Just like a college group of friends, a few guys got together and decided to start an iPhone case company called Mouse. It was a very common idea, and there were businesses that were already doing it. They wanted to make an iPhone case so strong that it would protect the phone at all costs. They clearly had to work hard since they were not the first people to think of this idea. They had to come up with something that was different. To make it unique, they did their competitor analysis and found what was missing in other products. The other companies also had their so called unbreakable cases, but they were all missing one very important thing. None of them had any sort of style. My name is Dhaivat Sant and I own Spring Digital. If you like to learn new marketing strategies that work for today's market and help you generate higher ROI, subscribe to my channel and please like this video. Most people consider features as an important factor when buying a product. At the same time, style or aesthetics is considered a deciding factor between two similar products. The cases from Mouse looked classy and protective at the same time. But having an aesthetic product was not going to do magic, and this is when they understood the importance of marketing. They also found easier and cheaper solutions to market their product. So let's actually talk about how they did their marketing. They would test the phones by throwing it down from a 6-foot ladder, or they would ask a stranger to try smashing it on the ground as hard as they can. Throughout this street show, they were constantly recording it with their phones. Every piece of content that they created was fun and filled with curiosity. But only creating curious content was not going to market their product, and the founders understood this very well. Marketing is about getting your prospects' attention and then directing them towards a window where they can buy the product. With Mouse's entertaining content, they got the public's attention and then they directed them to a landing page. This landing page was not selling the case. Since the product was not launched yet, the page was requesting the customers to subscribe to email marketing. So when the time comes, they can send them an email about the product launch. The company's goal was to notify the fans with a product launch email and then offer them an early bird discount. They created curiosity and consideration with their content and then they asked the customers to sign up to be the first ones to buy the product, creating a sense of exclusivity. And if anything else is going to stop the customer from buying, then the discount code acts like an anchoring bias that reduces the customer's action threshold. All of this was done to create a strong fan base. This also creates a social proof among other customers. And that is how they went from 0 to $2.5 million with the help of marketing. They sold common yet unique cases to more than 54,653 customers on the first product launch. But how does this help you? Let's say you're a business owner and your product is either launched or you have an idea and you want to launch it soon, but you're afraid of posting content or don't believe that it would work in your business, then Mouse Case is a good example for you. For your business, it can be done in simple steps. Create fun or knowledgeable content that is full of curiosity. With consistency, the platform will create an audience for you. Ask the audience to sign up for an email newsletter or any new offers coming up, and then create that relationship with them. Let's say you're a real estate agent and you want to increase your revenue. You can simply follow these steps. Go to a decent street any time of the day in your city, take your phone and start the voice recording app. Have your friend or a tripod with another phone record a video for you. Approach people and ask them if they would like to answer a few questions. Ask them some fun questions like, where would you like to buy a house in the city? What is an affordable house? Or what is stopping them from buying a house? Add a call to action end of the video and ask your viewers to visit your channel, website, or calendar and book a call with you if they're looking for a real estate agent. I live in Toronto, Canada, and I see this real estate agent that goes around listed homes. All she does is walks into the house, shows the rooms, views, adds a trending music to it, and you won't believe it, she gets views. It's simple. Don't overcomplicate it. If you're a shy person and you don't like to interview people, you can simply ask your previous customers to do a simple Q&A with you. You can also interview new home buyers by asking them basic questions. Another example, let's say you're a chiropractor and you don't know how to drive more sales with this marketing strategy. First, you should do some competitor analysis. You can find something unique to add to your content marketing, but don't let that stop you from making any content. Start with content marketing. Make some videos that address common questions on internet. You can also ask an existing client to do a Q&A with you. You can also watch other Instagram, TikTok, YouTube channels to get more ideas. If you follow MoveU, then you know what is entertaining content. They do a great job at creating really entertaining content by answering questions that are very common based around muscle pain. Consistency, quantity, quality, and this decent strategy can do wonders for your business.